Looking back, we were prepared in some ways. I think having Health Command stopped a lot of what could have happened potentially.
Now it's 7 in early February 2020. Many people were just beginning to hear about COVID-19, but at the time it wasn't a topic of daily conversation. Since then, the virus has drastically altered our everyday lives, and the focus has now shifted to vaccinations.
So much has changed since then. In fact, 1 year ago, 13 News reporter Nikki Walters sat down with Kanawha Charleston Health Department's Dr. Sherry Young to talk about something that at the time seemed like a distant threat. Well, today they met up again, reflecting on what's changed since then.
It's one of the things that we wanted to reassure the public. Don't be scared. This may not happen. Unfortunately, it did happen, and it happened in a very large scale. But we had everything in place.
In early 2020, long before masks and social distancing were part of everyday life, I sat down to talk to Dr. Sherry Young about what at the time seemed like a distant threat.
Yes, I mean, when I first showed you the map from Johns Hopkins, it was tracking cases from around the world and putting little red marks where there were cases. And at that time, there were no cases in the United States.
Unfortunately, within a matter of weeks, COVID-19 changed everything. At the time of this first interview, the only way to identify COVID-19 was a blood test that had to be done at the CDC. Over the past several months, so many things have changed.
So looking back, we were prepared in some ways. I think having Health Command stopped a lot of what could have happened potentially, trying to get people into quarantine, trying to identify cases very quickly, adapting over the last 342 days with moving from testing to contact tracing to now vaccinations. That finally, I think we're in a phase of the pandemic where we see a small light at the end of the tunnel.
She says one of the bright spots during this difficult time is how well people worked together.
When you have a supportive team and when you have a team that is in this to end it and will be there for the testing, will be there for the vaccinations, will be there until we are 100% through with COVID, it makes it easier.
In Charleston, I'm Nikki Walters, 13 News, working for you.
Now, if you haven't already registered to be vaccinated, we'll have that information on our website at WOWKTV.com.